a river.
But it's called Wawa River. So Freddie, what's going on here? What is this? Like a canal or something? What is this?
Yeah, you could say that. It's a canal.
But we call river.
River.
It's a canal. It goes to the Laguna Bay.
Ano rin sila eh. Walang huli.
Hey, look at over there. Hey.
Some guys there, they're leaving. They haven't had any catch though. They haven't had catch. Maybe that's why they are leaving.
What's that?
It's not clear.
Yeah, the water is
See
not
the
clear.
fish.
One thing though, the fish are not around if the water is not clear.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Come here, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy. Dude, that's lunch, man.
That's lunch.
I don't know, man. The dogs don't answer like they do in America. Like cats, like we go, here, kitty, 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 you know? But you guys go like, pss, pss, pss.
Ah, yeah. Like that. When we call them. Yung bata
No, something like jumped over there.
Oh. When this water clears, there's a lot of tilapias here.
Pretty good sized one.
Yeah. You can practice here. It's not too far, so very near.
What's the highest you've seen the water level go here?
Up to here. Up to here.
Yeah, over here. Mataas to.
Up to here.
Wow.
Typhoon Ndoy.
Mm-hmm.
So high water.
Wow.
That's why in my house, the water's up to here.
Yeah, that's no good. But on the positive side, you could just fish from upstairs. Just
Yeah.
you don't have to go anywhere. Always gotta look at the positive side, man.
Let's think positive. You don't think that you might get crazy.
No, this is cool, man. I mean, to
You
me,
can
we
go
are in the.
crazy. You can go crazy when you always think about that.
Yeah, I guess you would. But didn't you say it's like maybe one every 5 years or
Yeah.
something?
It's one every 5 years.
To me, man, it just seems like we're in the middle of nowhere. I mean, is that like?
It's your first time here.
Yeah.
That's why. But this is a good fishing spot. For us guys, it's always catching fish.
It's pretty active, man. You get a lot of people running around here.
You can ask them if where are they going. They're sweating.
Yeah, it's hot as shit, man.
But that's good. It's like an exercise for you. Almost all the guys here are we know.
Oh yeah.
You know of them. Ano pre, meron ba ron? Tayo pwesto.
Wala nga eh. Walang mapwesto.
Any luck? No? Wala?
Walang gala.
Or how do you guys go? You go nganga? Right? Is that right? Nganga?
Yeah, yes, nga.
Nganga.
Nga, wala eh. Nga.
Kahapon, dapat dali. Ha? Kahapon, di ba? Nandun ka sa kabila.
Oo, ninatanaw nga ako dun.
Dapat doon ka lang nagalaw.
Ha? Sabi marami.
Nung ano daw na...
Hi.
Sabado daw. Ah, hindi yun na ano dito na Sabado.
Yeah, check out. He's got some kind of
Yeah. Because
Carver.
his stock.
Americano.
Pare, pakita mo yung ano mo.
mermaid, huh?
Gusto niya yung stock mo eh. He's a carpenter.
Oh wow.
He's a carpenter. He made this.
Ikaw ba gumawa yan?
Ha? Oh.
Wow.
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng ukit?
That's pretty neat.
He curved this.
Wow.
You know how to wood carve.
Wow.
What is this? Ano to? Chokoy?
Serena.
It's
Yeah,
a
it's
mermaid.
siren, huh?
Yeah, it's a mermaid.
Serena.
Sirena in Tagalog. In English, it's a mermaid.
Mermaid.
No, it looks like a shokoy.
It's a pok fish.
It's a pokpok fish. It's a pokpok fish.
Beware.
Wala Salamat,
Very
Tre.
rare.